So we're teaching them the maths, the English, the social studies. And then we have to just stop and say, all right, class, everybody stand up. We're going to the 5 minute exercise, and that actually helps them. Helps also increase in terms of their academic performance. All right? So quickly, so some exercise that we can do. So we're in the classes, right? What you can do is, so everybody stand up, so you have either the Jamaica Move ambassador, or you have the teacher as the instructor. And similar to what I did here, probably can have a music, or probably can just clap to a rhythm, and just have one person leading, and everybody follows. Everybody got that? Alright, the same next one we have like, is like Pond the River. Pond the River. So we can have you say, when I say, alright, in the river, Pond the Bank, that's how better, yes. So when I say in the river, we jump in. When I say Pond the Bank, we jump back. And if it's that I say, in the river, if I say in the river, we're in the river, and I say in the river again, and you jump on the bank, we jump off students, not even out. Don't want to feel as if they've lost anything. But we give them an activity to do. We say, 10 jumping jacks. Or you can use their discretion. And next exercise we can do, we have a circle, and we can use just like those simple little tennis balls, and we have a little game called Stay Alert. You have the circle, so music will be playing or you're just clapping, good? And you just randomly pass the ball to students. So if I toss it, give me a name, jump. So if I toss the ball, jump. And don't jump is not paying attention, he drops the ball. I will give Chum an activity. Understood? And that's how we do it. And you just make it seem fun, even incorporating in your activities. Even social studies, probably play a little music, a little history song. We have to make learning fun, we have to make this teaching, you understand?
Yep.
And I say that at the end of the day, we all want a healthier Jamaica.
We want to encourage a healthy environment in our schools. We want to assess our school environment, and it's being done through the Jamaica Moves in School initiative and the interim guidelines of sugar-sweetened beverages. We want to look at how we can start off with the low-hanging fruits, so the water days, the fruit days, the physical activity breaks. NCDs are trending up and must be curtailed. Thus, making our school environment healthy will impact our lives, which means that we will make Jamaica a place to live, work, raise families, and to do business.